Jian Ndungu, well known for the song Murigiti, na noke muthuri wa Rachel Ngigi wa Kiugo Original nĩegũtigĩte mafans ake na gĩkeno kĩnene kĩroko kĩa ũmũthĩ after he shared a photo of him dressed in a groom's wedding suit, a white and pink wedding suit ĩrĩa ĩtigĩre mafans ake magĩciria nĩ ũhiki wake ũmũthĩ, and they were already sending him congratulatory messages, but he has now come out to clarify that it is not his wedding, sadly ti ũhiki wake, but it is his mom's wedding, and he happens to be one of the groomsmen, and that's why he donned this colorful suit. His mom and dad are renewing their love and vows today. It's their big day today, Joseph and Mary. And Jian even went further to make his own joke akisema ati baba wao nĩaronire ndangĩhota na ndangĩtobora heho ĩno, babangu ameona hawezi toboa hii baridi, but he's happy for them as their son. He's fully supporting them on this big day. Na nĩkĩo acomokire na gathuti kau, congratulations to them, congratulations to Joseph and Mary. And he has now asked his fans to divert those congratulatory messages to his mom and dad. Nĩo marahikania ũmũthĩ, it's their big day today and not his.